Allah Azza wa Jal, imagine this is the day of judgment. This is a day that is 50,000 years long. It is a day when Allah Azza wa Jal will bring onto one plane every single angel, every single prophet, every single human being, every jinn, every animal, everything that Allah Jalla Jalalu has ever created will come forward on this day. And then on the day of judgment, Allah Azza wa Jal, He will call for Jahannam to be brought forward. Jahannam, the actual hellfire, this creation of Allah Azza wa Jal, it will be brought forward to humanity. In the authentic hadith, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, he says that Jahannam will be brought forward and it'll be dragged. 70,000 brindles, chains, 70,000 chains that are attached to Jahannam, and it will be dragged forward. He says 70,000 brindles, chains, and on every chain there are 70,000 angels. 4.9 billion angels will be dragging Jahannam forward. And then Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Quran that when Jahannam, when this creation that was created for no purpose other than to punish humanity, that's it. The only job of Jahannam was to punish the human being. So Allah Azza wa Jal says that on the day of judgment, when Jahannam sees the human being for the first time, it's been created for Allahu A'lam how many thousands of years, it's been burning for Allahu A'lam how long, and it's been waiting for this day. So when Jahannam sees the human being for the first time, Allah Azza wa Jal says it will release like an expression, it's like it'll burst. It's like it'll burst out of anger. And then Allah mentions in the Quran that when Jahannam bursts and the human being sees this with his own eyes, Allah Azza wa Jal says at that moment, every single living thing will fall to its knees in prostration to Allah. The good, the bad, the ugly, the Muslim, the non-Muslim, the one who believed, the one who didn't believe, the one who wanted to see, the one who didn't want to see. When they see this with their eyes, they will fall in prostration. But on that day, Allah will say, stand up. Today is not the day of worship. Today is the day of judgment. You believing then is of no value. Believing after you see is of no weight. Your iman then will weigh nothing in the sight of Allah.